Hi everyone, and welcome to Island Block. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. Now for those of you that do not have MetaMask installed on your browser yet, you can just head over to this website and install it. I will also be putting the link in the description below, so you can click on the link and install. MetaMask can be added on Chrome or Firefox on your iOS or Android for mobile device users, but I'll be installing MetaMask here on my Brave browser. So the first thing you have to do is you click install MetaMask. That is for those that do not have it already installed. And then the next thing is to add to Brave. Then you click add extension, so it installs it and automatically adds it to your web browser, and it has been added. So now I'll click get started, and there are two things you can do. The first thing is you can either import a wallet if you have an already existing wallet and you've stored your seed phrase, or you can create a new wallet. So I'll click create a wallet. Now you can just click on I agree or no thanks, depending on what you want. Now here you create a password. Now this password is very important because this is the password you would always use to access the plugin. So whenever you load your web browser and you would like to connect your wallet to a website, a decentralized application, or anything, you would have to use your password to approve certain things and to log in to your MetaMask wallet. So it is essential that you put a safe password and you put a password that you will remember, because you would use it frequently. So here I'm putting in my password and I agree to the terms of use. Now very important is for you to back up your seed phrase. Now this seed phrase is how you'll be able to recover your wallet in case it goes missing, in case you mistakenly uninstall the plugin or you uninstall the app, you uninstall the browser. The only way to recover your wallet is through this seed phrase. So it is very, very important that you back up your seed phrase, because this is the only way you can recover your wallet and import it somewhere else. Then, now that I've logged in and successfully opened a new MetaMask wallet, as you can see up here, the main wallet that is currently available is the Ethereum mainnet. Now we also have some other testnets as well, but what I'm trying to do, what I need is the Binance Smart Chain, because I want to be able to use platforms like PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, and other decentralized applications and decentralized exchanges built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now I cannot use this Ethereum network to interface with those exchanges and those platforms. This is why it is very important and necessary that you add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet if you are going to be using your MetaMask to access those platforms. So the next thing you do is you'd click on this circle over here, then you press settings. Now on this settings page, you can locate the network menu, which is networks, and you click it. So when you click here, you see add networks over here. It's at the top right corner, and then here you can click on it to manually add the Binance Smart Chain. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the Binance Smart Chain doesn't come packaged with MetaMask. It is important to note that there are two networks we can use here. So we can use the testnet or the mainnet. We can either add the Binance Smart Chain testnet or the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Now what the testnet is majorly and mainly for developers that are trying to build dApps and smart contracts. Now they use this testnet to try out and test the applications they built, so they don't necessarily need to burn real money and pay these monies as fees. So when they add the testnet network, they can always use test tokens, which are usually not real and you can't sell, and they use it to deploy smart contracts, run smart contracts, use it to pay for fees, transaction fees, till they have maybe finalized what they're trying to build or do, and then they now deploy these things to the mainnet. So you would need to be adding the mainnet, which is the main network. So now the next thing you do is you fill in the details. So smart chain, then for the RPC, it's data seed, then chain ID is 56, the currency symbol is BNB, and then the block explorer is bscscan.com. So now once I'm done filling this for the mainnet, I press save and it automatically gets added. So once I cancel this menu, as you can see now, I can I'm shown the BNB logo, which is the Binance Smart Chain. So if I come over here and back to Ethereum, you can see this is ETH, whereas this is the BNB, which is the Binance Smart Chain. Why this is important: the Ethereum mainnet and the Binance Smart Chain are two different blockchains entirely, even though they have quite some similarities. So if I send a token to the Binance Smart Chain, it will not reflect on the Ethereum mainnet because they are two different networks. So this is why it is very important and necessary that you know the differences. Even though I'll be sending it to the same wallet address, for example, as you can see here, the wallet address here is the same exact wallet address as the one here, but then it will not reflect here. I'll do a quick example for you. I'll just send some BNB tokens here from the Binance Smart Chain. I'll come over to my wallet, click on account details, and so now I've sent $10 worth of BNB to this wallet over here, which is my Binance Smart Chain BNB wallet. So now automatically it just reflected. You can see it here. But now if I come over to the Ethereum chain, which is the Ethereum mainnet, it won't show here at all. But coming back to the Smart Chain, it reflects. So this goes to show you that there are two different networks entirely. So tokens that are on the Smart Chain, the Binance Smart Chain, would not reflect on your Ethereum mainnet. So this is why you should add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. So when you want to interface with decentralized applications like PancakeSwap, BakerySwap, you can always use this Binance Smart Chain address because it is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. So thank you so much for watching. You do have an awesome time. Bye bye.